I'm going to show you the room that we have stayed in Marriott for my baby's birthday. I just want to tell you the things that I like and appreciate the most. Aside from their good location, they have very good view. The atmosphere is also very friendly to the customers. Their hotel is very clean and they have very good aroma. Just once you enter the main entrance, you will be welcomed with a very good smell. It's something like a flowery smell. They also have very good amenities. I like their bar soap, which is from Thailand. Yes, their amenities are not just simple amenities that you can buy everywhere. Some are very rare and some are very special. And what else? They have very good food, their buffet. They have a lot of recipes, menu. Whole third floor, I'm sorry. The whole third floor, yeah. The whole third floor is for their food only. And they can occupy a lot of customers, so you don't need to worry about the corona. Their service is very nice. We asked for mineral water for twice or 3 times, but they gave it for free. And they are very friendly. I don't know, just the whole rating for me for Marriott is really 5-star. They deserve it. So yeah, enough of the talking and let's go check it out. I'm Ira. Welcome to my life.
ちょっと足を止めたくて、だけども君は早足ですっと前を行くから、僕はそれを見つめてる。最終便君は乗る、僕を置いてって走り出す、ゆっくりと地面がずれていく。泣いちゃダメ泣いちゃダメ、でも本当は言いたいよ。行かないで遠くへと消えていく、僕を置いてってもうずいぶん見えないよ、夜が崩れていく。泣いちゃダメ泣いちゃダメ、でも本当